are in the preparatory area, what I call it, of our hospital, Richardson Hospital. So today we are going to perform a beard transplantation procedure, and this is a very a rare case, I would call it, because he is complaining of patches of scanty hair in the beard area on both sides. So he does have quite a good density on surrounding areas, so we're just going to fill the patches in. The hair follicles will be harvested from the donor area, that is the occipital region, and he will be requiring over 600 grafts. You see the markings, they have already been made for the patches on both sides. Alright, so we are going to take him, we are going to do a bit of shaving and prepare him and then shift him to the theatre.
See how nicely it is healed?
Yeah.
Already you can't make out.
Actually,
so the thing is, I want to ask you this directly only. Like, how many grafts can we actually take from the bag?
Many we can take.
Just give me a count approximately. Maximum how much?
That depends on the individual. So each person, the donor capacity varies. In your case, another 5,000.
That's a lot.
actually, he's trying to like
So now I'm starting to feel that I should have done more, but it's my mistake, not his anyway. I was the one who told him that.
They came and told me 2 times that sir, patient is saying this, sir, patient is saying this. But what we do is, see, most of the patients who are coming, and I met her also when I was coming in, I came and saw you. Educated patients come here. They are already sure what they want.
No, I mean, even before I came here, I did a research like 5 places. I even gave a Google to you as well. I did the same thing. I went to DSI, I went to BK, we both went.
Okay.
Actually, overnight he decided that he wanted to come because he was a
So I had 5.
Overnight, it was overnight decision.
You could also anointment. No, we have a good team. I'm not saying other centers are not, but there are many good centers I think for HD now because it's being done by a lot of people and the volume is too high. It's not a very rare procedure anymore because the risks are hardly there to do it well and results are pretty good. Hence the number of people going in is very, very high. The kind of people we get for HT is usually medical people, because a lot of the people who follow us are doctors and dentists. A lot, you will see on any particular day, 2-3 doctors sitting there. Today also, we have 2 doctors who come. So that's the thing. So they know the risks and all, and they come more. Normal people, we are not convincing anybody. So let's come. Educated people who already know that this is what they want, they can't get it done and go away.
Because I'm surely happy with the result and everything, but maybe if I want to cover it up or cover
Yeah, wait for some time. For all you know, you might be happy with just this much also.
Did it have more than
See, generally we say wait for a week. We can do it.
And is it okay to chew for a week and everything with that? Because he was just having juice it for a week.
No, now you can do.
He was like, like that.
Now you can do all of that. You can do all of that. Avoid sleeping on the sides and doing this thing on the pillows and rubbing it off and just common sense things, you know. Don't get into a swimming pool because they put a lot of chlorine.
and no hot water, right? Just
No. Hot water will kill
For
you.
how long actually? How long?
So see, initially 1 day is most important. Then the next important day is 10 days. After 10 days, keep applying the water, not as frequently, once in a while. Don't go in extreme climates. Don't sweat a lot. All these things. See, just like how you will take care of a plant, this is the same thing. It's a transplanted
Planted.
3 types because it has a root also. And once the root takes in, then it's normal as well. So that's what you have to think. So I cannot enumerate all the situations, but you have to think and do. Don't do something that might harm the life of the graft. After a few weeks.
So the thing is pretty much 20 days, right? After 20 days.
Yeah, I think so. I would say 1 month, but 20 days is good enough. But still,
So the thing is, till the shedding phase, I have to be careful. Once it sheds, it's normal, right?
everything may not even shed. So what happens, a hair life cycle is 4 months is like our 1 day. So if you pluck the hair out that was in the shedding, just before shedding phase, it will shed out. But if you pluck the hair out that was just coming out, then it will grow. That's what. It depends on what cycle we have pulled out the follicle, and that we not know correctly. And the results will take 9 months to 1 year, full result. So we also have some kits here. Hey, इनको kit दिखाया क्या? HT kit did they tell you the kit? They know इनको kit. इनको kit चोरी करूँगा. HT पढ़ना है, but beard अगर बड़ी लगी हो रहा है. So kit use करना better होगा. So they will give you a kit. So these kits are not for generally little work, but it's useful. You take it and go. It's multi-vitamin, multiple things she'll explain to you. Also lotion will be there which you can apply in this area where we have done the grafting. And this is healed, done and dusted. Nothing to worry about that part.
And also the painkillers, I took only for like 1 day.
No problem, no pain, don't take it. No pain, no problem.
So only antibiotics is fine, right?
1 course that too. Then after that, nothing. Yeah.
But there was another tablet which I normally take in the mornings before the breakfast. So what about that?
What is that showing? Lilia. So dissension is the one for reducing swelling.
I think so. They gave
And this ointment we've given you mupirosin, do not put it here, it's poison. Only for the back.
Okay.
So no scratching here and doing this and all that, okay? That's the thing that be careful. First of all,
And the bacon.
painkiller வந்து பெயின் தான் மட்டும் போட்டாதீங்க. சில ஆளுக்கு 3 நாள் இருக்குது, சில ஆளுக்கு 1 நாள். நீங்க பெயின் தானே விட்டுருங்க. இல்ல நைட் மட்டும் போடுங்க பெயின் வந்துச்சு அப்படி. பெயின் தான் nothing to worry.
Very good.
Shaving another thing. 1 மாசம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க
He
முடிஞ்சிச்சு.
always used to do that, so no problem.
I normally don't shave.
இல்ல சொல்றேன். ஏன்னா ஷேவ் பண்றவங்க சீக்கிரம் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த follicle can stay.
Actually, the baby has it, so அந்த ஷேர் பண்ணா திரும்பி வளருது.
இப்படிதான் இருக்காது. இவ்வளவு ஏஜ் ஆயிடுச்சுல.
இல்ல இந்த இடத்துல ஸ்பேஸ் மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல அந்த
ஆமா.
குட்டி குட்டி பேபி ஹேர்ஸ் இருக்கு.
Maybe
maybe ஷேர்
six-
பண்ணா கேட்டா பேபி
I don't think so.
No, that's
அது எந்த இடத்துலலாம் கேப் டென்சிட்டி இல்ல அது வந்து பை 21 22 வந்துரும் 28ல வராம இருக்காது நம்ம நட்டாதான் வரும் அப்போவே பேபி ஹேர் இருந்தா அது வந்து ஃபைன் ஹேர் அர்த்தம் some people will have it here அந்த மாதிரி that will not get thicker
So the
usually
thing is, if I come for a second procedure just to fill it up, will it cost me the same or will it cost me the same? Because I want to ask you this question because
We can do it less.
I'll have to come to India just for this.
oh my god
because
That's
it's
the
costly.
where are you staying
reason.
oh okay
I've been living there for the past 10 years.
No,
Oh.
we are from Coimbatore.
Actually, I came here for wedding. I'm married to her.
Ah.
I'm getting back. Yeah.
oh you're married her and now she's going back to New Zealand
We both are going back.
oh okay fine don't come just for this come when you have some other work who will come just for this
No, anyway, I'll come
Tamil
here.
Nadu just say come
No,
from
I-
Tamil Nadu, no problem.
Yeah, I'll come here to see my mom and dad. They live there.
Don't keep it like a visit just for this. You know, coming here for some other work, some wedding, some family function.
வருவீங்க
ஆமா வரட்டு போனா போதும் இதெல்லாம். We can do it, not a problem. We'll see if we can do some concession for you. If it's going to be, see, it should not be less than a year. I don't recommend you do it very soon. Wait for 9 months at least.
Actually, இப்போ போனாலும் அவங்க வரதுக்கு 1 year ஆயிடும். வந்தாலும் 1 year அப்புறம் தான் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். So it's very tough to contact you people. That's it.
இல்ல நான் நம்பர் கொடுத்திருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு already.
Okay.
Because even the Google review, I mentioned that I'm really happy with everything.
Ah.
Mainly when I went to the theatre, I mean, they both were really confident. That's what I wanted. I don't want to go to a person who did only a hair transplant and who doesn't know what to do here. That's what happened to
Oh,
me.
we've done lots and lots.
So I'm
Actually,
really
we
happy with
decided like that
everything.
only. When it is coming to DHA or VK, they used to do only hair and
ஆமா.
skin, right?
எங்களுக்கு எதுக்குன்னா I tell you the reason the history is like this I do a lot of facial surgeries and clefts to be very honest with you we might have done one of the largest mustache transplants in the country only reason is because a lot of the cleft patients don't get hair in this area
It'll be best.
அதனால நாங்க பண்ணுவோம் 2010லே பண்ணிட்டு வந்து 2014ல தான் நாங்க HD பண்றோம்
If we
Tala.
Okay, okay.
நல்லா ஃபுல்லா ஸோ எங்க நார்மல் சென்டர்ஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா they are all doing the full head first then they move on to beard and mustache it was the other way around for us because
you
our
were doing
expertise
these
is these things therefore you see one guy came from Rajasthan a scar area that was just like this much he had a hair transplantation done and it didn't work well so he was coming and asking in the consultation how is it that you're going to give me assurance that if you do it will work I explained like this Doctor Saab pakka hai because it's about doing a lot of cases it's about experience and everything like that so that's the reason and it takes more time when you do hair transplantation on the head I tell patients it's like removing one paddy plant from this area and putting there and now when you do beard அப்படி இல்ல it's like removing a paddy and putting it on a mountain slope it's a little different the muscle move ஆகும் it's a little different way of slotting and preparing first secondly பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது எல்லாமே hairக்கு eruptions zone இருக்கும் it come at an angle பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற hair the same angle and you push it in சில ஆளுங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா வேரியேஷன் வரும் eyebrow அந்த மாதிரி ரொம்ப challenging because here it will come like this it will go like this it will go like this and finally come down அப்பதான் that curvature comes so that requires some amount of experience. So we do a lot of those
But
kind
you
of
won't take hair from beard to beard, right?
No.
You won't do.
We generally don't do that because the place where you harvest the beard, that might look a little sparse.
And it's pretty painful as well. Then
Pain is not the real issue. And that punch illa ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு dot வரும் இதுக்கு
so it will be visible that this
Change
hair
the
will be visible.
நேரமா இஷ்டமும் இருக்கு நமக்கு இல்லையா plenty over and above.
Overall, I'm really happy.
Thank
The
you.
only thing that initial consultation could have been better.
I know that. I'm very sorry. Initial consultation.
But the thing is, it's my mistake as well. I should have come here late, but I came here at
That day you came late, but even then sometimes what happens, we are keeping it only on Fridays and Saturdays. அப்புறம் அதுக்கு ஒரு டீம் செட் பண்ணி
What
வச்சிருக்கோம்.
happens like நாங்க பொள்ளாச்சில இருந்து travel பண்ணி
Late
வரோம். So
exit.
இல்ல அது இல்ல நாங்க appointment fix பண்ணா at least they will be contacting us back and they will be giving us sort of confidence. Like அது
ஆமா அதெல்லாம் பண்ணுவாங்க.
appointment fix பண்ண வரைக்கும் ஒரு WhatsApp
அதில் பண்ணுவாங்க கான்டாக்ட். பட் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா இப்போ நான் எதுக்கு ரிலாக்ஸாக உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கிறேன் பிகாஸ் சி ஒரு கேஸ் கேன்சல் ஆகுது ஏதாவது ஒன்று ஆச்சுன்னா கொஞ்சம் டைம் கிடைக்கும் ஆனால் சர்ஜன் தான் இருக்கணும். No way we can relax like this, you know. Anyway, even now I'm not at lunch. I quickly go get lunch. Chalo.
So that's it.
That's it. You can go. Yeah, I don't think
But
we
really, I have to go there for the vitamin stuff.
Yeah, Mama. You talk to her. Keep this.
So is it
Compulsory, I would recommend. You see.
But there's no medicine in it, just vitamins on these things.
நீங்கள் கூகுள் பண்ணுங்க ஒன்லியும் folic acid, green tea extract இந்த மாதிரி multiple things
She was taking folic acid for pregnancy.
Yeah.
that prevents any congenital deformities. And the money, but it has
Actually it promotes hair growth, folic acid.
as one of the minor supplement, it helps.
When we stop it just
அப்படிதான்
hair shedding feels like
No, not like that.
Because once நான் stop பண்ணதும் hair shedding ஆரம்பிச்சா அவங்க கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க maybe folic acid stop பண்ண
இல்ல. Folic acid is one of the many constituents in our cyclical therapy. அதுக்கு பேர் cyclical therapy. ஆனால் பிகாஸ் வந்து மண்டே ஒன்று இருக்கும், டியூஸ்டே ஒன்று இருக்கும், வெனஸ்டே ஒன்று இருக்கும், அப்படியே ஆஃப் இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி. நீங்கள் ஃபாரின் போனீங்கன்னா அது கிடைக்காது ஆர் இட்ஸ் வெரி எக்ஸ்பென்சிவ். ஸோ நீங்கள் எடுத்துகிட்டு போயிடலாம். அண்ட் அது நீங்கள் இன்றைக்கே அவங்களுக்கு கேளுங்க தி கேன் டு அ ரிசர்ச். இட்ஸ் குட். I won't suggest. It's good for anyone. We have done it. I've taken myself. It doesn't have any side effects.
எனக்கு hair fall ஆகுது ஸோ அதுக்கு இது பேசலாம்.
உங்களுக்கு இருக்கணும்னா ஃபீமேல் இருக்கணும்.
Straight hairs and ரொம்ப silky hair அதனால வெளியதா
அப்படிலாம் வரும். That can happen. அப்போ
I never had this hair fall before. Like recently I'm not sure. Recently I'm just facing a lot.
So you have to take the female kit. That's slightly different. The male kits are different.
Maybe you want to go and check பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் எடுத்துக்கிறேன்.
Yeah, you can take the kit. It's very safe. In the park, just talk to her. She knows all the details. There's a small video also if you want. Park, if you say okay, you take it. If you don't want, you say I don't want. It's just like, I mean, it's a very simple thing. You could benefit ஜாஸ்தியா அவ்வளோ ஷுவரா. ஏன்னா அது மினாக்சிடில் இருக்கும், எல்லாம் அதை அப்ளை பண்ணலாம், நம்ம சர்ஜரி பண்ணியிருக்கோம், முடி நட்டிருக்கோம், பெனிஃபிட் ஜாஸ்தி. உங்களுக்கு நீங்கள் பாருங்க. Just there will be some improvement when you part the way to call. All right. Bye bye.